What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. You can see we're in the RC room, and that can only mean one thing. We're doing something RC related today. Well, kinda. It's something that I've been wanting to buy for quite a while, and it's going to help out with the channel immensely. So let's just show you guys what it is. I bought one of these damn drones from Temu. Yeah, it's fly mode, all that stuff, as you can see. This isn't actually the one that I ordered, believe it or not. The one that I ordered had a camera up top, a camera at the bottom, and had follow mode. They sent me this one, which is like the cheapest, shittiest version of one they could find. So I contacted Temu and got a refund. So we're going to play with this one, see how well it works. And I'm just going to keep probably saving up then for a DJI Mavic, like I used to have back in the day, that I never got to really fly because I sold it before I got a chance to. But let's take a look at this thing, shall we? It's, there we go. There. It just says drone. Doesn't say any kind of model number or nothing. Just drone, HD camera, 2-axis stabilization. On the side here, apparently if you're in France, you should just throw the fucking thing away, I guess. I don't know. I'm not in France. But aerial camera, brushless, wind resistance, 360 laser obstacle, whatever that means. Headless mode. Okay. So that means if you get too close, it's going to chop your head off. I guess. Gesture manipulation, cool LED light, optical flow, fixed point hover, Hodo video. What? I guess you can't take photo. It takes Hodo and video, whatever the hell Hodo is. The translation, I tell you, is just hilarious. Large capacity battery and an app for your phone. So on the back, let me flip it over. It's about twisting my wrist. Shoulder's been bugging a bit ever since I did the wheel jobs. That's why I've took a couple extra days off. But model F199 is apparently what it is. So you all can Google that. I'm going to do another check on it on the Temu to see exactly what it is. But yeah, People's Republic of China. It was made apparently there. So let's open up the box. Let's see what's inside. I got batteries because I remember it saying that it didn't come with batteries. So let's doing this one hand when you have a gibbled arm is not fun. Hang on a second. Let me open it up for you guys. So I'll be right back. There. I think I'll just stand up. It's a lot easier. But inside the box, you got more Chinese. I guess. I think you're supposed to read this backwards, so it would be upside down and over. I have no idea. But here we got like a little nifty carrying case, which hopefully I can do this with one hand. I've been having to do a lot of things lately with one hand. You know what I'm talking about over there. No, I don't. So, but also, I also bought a smartwatch today. So I have some ideas for some other filming stuff that we're going to be doing. So, but yeah, inside the box here, the container, we've got all the stuffs. So I'm going to sit back down because my back is starting to hurt from standing up on this darn floor because I'm old, according to the woman and the kids. So, but inside here, I'll move this box out of the way with all this Chinese out of the way. We've got the drone. Which, let me unfold it. And the fiance is over in the corner breaking her phone. No. So let's unfold this thing for you guys. Get a good kind of view of how big it is. So it's not bad. There's the battery pack down there. We'll take a look at that soon. Oh, it does have the camera in the bottom. Huh. Maybe this is the one I ordered. I didn't think it was. Yeah, this would definitely be a Linda move. Come on, zoom. There we go. Yeah, that's where, there we go. Folding mini UAV RC 4-axis drone. You can sit over here with the RC stuff. It's an RC controller. It's not bad. It's your basic controller. This flips up for the phone. Phone goes in here. So could be pretty neat. I can't wait to link it and see how it all works. We've got modes for the camera, I see. Auto takeoff, some speed, some lighting, up and down. So it's gonna be pretty neat. The back. Yep, 3 AAA. This one I'm gonna have 3 AAA right there. So we are good to rock and roll. I can't remember the last kind of video I did like this was I think one of my GoPros. So here we got charging cord, extra wings, and some more junk. Here we've got instruction books that are all Asian. I believe any English. No, I don't think those are the English ones. Because this here seems to be the English one. So if you guys want to stop and pause, there's the operating tutorials there. It actually sends you to videos on YouTube on how to work this thing. It's pretty cool. So, but know your drone, tells you how to connect it to Wi-Fi. All that. Tells you to keep away from spacious socias, away from what? Kind of language is this? Anyways, we got more stuff here. How to open it up, assembling it, which already came assembled, charging it. So we're gonna have to do that here soon. We'll charge it all up. We'll take it for a fly. Battery instructions, yada yada. Here we go. Remote control stuff. How to do all the stuff. Headless mode. It's supposed to follow you, but it doesn't. So mobile Ohine installation. OHINE. It's how they spell phone. OHINE. It's supposed to be phone. Such good quality control. My goodness. This darn Temu drones, hey? So that tells you more here. And how to do all this kind of flips and rolls and kind of stuff like that. Then it gets into the app part of it. So, which I believe is this here. Operating guide. Here's all your stuff. Tells you how to set it all up. So what I'm going to do is we're going to pull the battery out of it. It'll be used to being upside down, trust me. And charge it up. Right there. And I'll see you guys when it's ready to go. I'll also install the app and get everything all set up with it. Tell you guys how that went. But yeah, hopefully this will help a lot with our car shows and just general video. So looking forward to it, guys. I'll see you on the other end of this. All right, folks, we're outside. It's getting late. It's probably after 6 o'clock. It's no wind right now, so perfect time to get the drone out and test it out for you guys. Is it already undone? No, let me unzip it. I was playing around with it a little bit. Got it all charged up, and one thing about it is there's no sound with the video, which is not a big deal. So let me get it all assembled for you guys, and next video you see will probably be it going up in the air, and we'll do we'll go up and we'll take like a view around, and then we'll just come right back down. We'll see how it works. So I'm excited for this. If it works well, that's going to be a huge update, or huge game changer for the channel, folks. Huge game changer. Let's try this.
is it? Whoa! You're gonna hit the house. On the house. Not the power line.
I don't know where it's going. Well, folks, as you guys just saw, I am no drone pilot. It's been years and years since I've played with one of these. I never actually ever got really good at it. This one, for some reason, seems to like to lift. Like it goes up and likes to lift to the side. I don't know why. So I don't know how you can get them to go up and just stay and be stabil, like have the stability and all that. I think I have to buy one that, I'll buy a better one than this. But I think for pissing around, this one might be okay once I get a little bit better with it. So, I don't know, guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. So, of the, well, hang on a sec. Alright. Sorry. Anyways, comment down below. Tell me, guys, what you think of this, was it E199? Little Temu brushless motor drone. For a link, it was like $50, if that. It seems to get pretty good picture quality. It's dark right now. It's getting dark, so, it's not the greatest. It is supposed to have, like, cameras or something in the bottom. See that? Sensors and shit, right? But for some reason, I can't figure out how to get it to work. So, until then, I'm just going to keep playing with it. But, yeah, so that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little check out of the new drone. It should help with car shows and stuff like that. I can go up and do like a view of everything and see how well, how the show is and all that, and go up. But it'll take some practice of getting used to playing with it. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Till next time, take care of yourselves. Love you guys. God bless. And I'm not quite sure what we're going to be doing next. Might be back on the 53. You just have to tune in to find out.